Let's make this scene in Blender. And this is a museum of Mahmoud.
Yes!
First, open Mixamo and get your character. And choose animation you want, download it. Go to Blender. This object is ready, but you have to see video link in description to get your object ready. From File Import to add our animation. Let's snap our character to the ground. Rotate it. Play. The problem now is his foot is far away from the wall, so we must move it closer. Choose all objects, make gravity 0 and keyframe it. And make another keyframe to adjust timing of destroying. Now you have your scene. Subscribe now to watch more 3D magic. Don't forget to be happy. It's a museum of Mahmoud.
Yes!